That LTX file contains game scripts and configuration data from the S.T.A.L.K.E.R series, the logic that drives the zone's atmosphere and gameplay mechanics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit or troubleshoot these game configuration files. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of Won't LTX file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. LTX files are configuration script files used by the S.T.A.L.K.E.R game series by GSC Game World. They contain INI-style game parameters defining weapon stats, NPC behavior, quest logic item properties, and game world settings in a human-readable text format. S.T.A.L.K.E.R LTX files use an INI-like syntax with section headers in brackets and key value pairs using equal signs. They include directives for modular configuration and hierarchical section inheritance. Files are loaded from the gamedata iconfigs directory structure. The core association for the LTX file points directly to S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Shadow of Chernobyl, developed by GSC Game World. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows shows no usable preview for most game assets, so specialized software is required. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your LTX file and choose Open with. Test with S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Shadow of Chernobyl first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you are still having trouble opening the LTX file, do not worry. The problem with this LTX file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, editing game parameters. Open LTX files in any text editor such as Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. Modify weapon damage values, NPC health multipliers, or item weights by changing the numeric values associated with each parameter key. Save the file and launch the game to test your changes. Next, setting up the mod structure. Extract the game's resources using the S.T.A.L.K.E.R database, Unpacker, to create a game data folder in the game directory. Modified LTX files placed in this folder override the default package versions, allowing non-destructive modding of game configuration parameters. Finally, troubleshooting crashes. If the game crashes, after LTX edits, check for syntax errors such as missing section headers, unclosed brackets, or invalid value types. Review the game's log file in the logs directory for specific error messages pointing to the problematic LTX file and line number. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.